In this video, we're going to go over how to create a date dropdown in Python Tkinter with the TkWidgets library. The first thing we're going to do is import TkWidgets. Then we're going to initialize the date dropdown and pass in the root window as its parent. Finally, we'll display the date dropdown by calling the path method. If you run the code, you should see the date dropdown on your window. To get the selected date from the dropdown, you simply call the get method. I'll get the selected date and print it to the terminal. If you run the code, the selected date is printed to the terminal in the year, month, day string format. You can change the format of the selected date by passing in a date format option into the date dropdown. Instead of the default year, month, day format, I'm going to do a month, day, year format. Now if you run the code, you'll notice that the format of the date that's printed in the terminal has changed. The date dropdown a specific date, you have to pass in a date that matches the date format. Using the set method, I'm going to set the date dropdown to a specific date. Now if you run the code, the date dropdown is set to the new date. You can make it where the date dropdown doesn't show past dates by passing in the no past dates option. I'll set it equal to true so that I can't select past dates. If you run the code, you'll see that you can't change the date to May 10th, 2025 because that date has already passed. But if I change the date to June 23rd, 2025 becomes available again because that date hasn't passed yet. You can also set a min and max year for the date dropdown. I'll set the min year to 2027 and the max year to 2029. If you run the code, you'll notice that you can only select the years 2027 to 2029. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.